Hi everyone, very good morning. It's day 2, so prepare yourself and let's start the session. Please sit down either in Sukhasan or Vajrasan, whatever is comfortable for you. As I mentioned yesterday, please do a couple of spine stretches, at least basic cat and cow, so that your back is good for at least 10-15 minutes for your rest of the practice. Now along with that, today we'll add one neck movement so that you can still feel your entire back being stretched with just a very simple movement. You're going to keep your back straight, both the hands on the thighs. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Now take a deep breath in. When you breathe out, you're going to bring your chin down to the chest. Drop your complete head down. You can feel the stretch from back of the neck which goes to the back, to the spine. Breathe in, breathe out here itself. Hold. Observe the state of your neck, back of the neck. Inhale, come back to center and put your head back. Look up. Exhale, drop your head down. Inhale back. And slowly come back to center. Let's quickly do 3 rounds of neck rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Exhale down. Inhale back. Stretch. Inhale, half rotation. Exhale when you complete the rest half. One more time. Drop your chin down and hold. Now inhale the other side. Two. And the last one, 3. Exhale. Chin down. And then slowly come back to center. And then open your eyes. Simple stretches are very important to make sure that you have a peaceful time as and when you are sitting down for the meditation. Now let's begin with the regular routine first. We'll focus on the deep breaths. Both the hands turned up towards the ceiling. Keep them in Chin Mudra. Keep your back and shoulders relaxed. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Now slowly breathe out. Breathe in. And have a deep breathe out. Inhale. And exhale. Now gently open your eyes for the instructions. To make it easy for you, we are going to do counting breaths. So now as you know that we are taking a long breathe in, but we really don't know that how long should we breathe in. So now we'll put a number to it. We'll try to say around 4 counts inhale and 4 counts exhale. That means when I'm giving you the counts, you still continue to breathe in and breathe out till you complete your 4 breaths. We'll do this couple of rounds and then we'll do the retention of your breath. Like the way you inhale and exhale for a couple of counts, you're also going to hold your breath in between. Basically, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. All you have to do is just follow the breathing pattern. Let's start. Chin mudra, back straight and eyes closed. First, inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get back to your normal breath. Just observe. Don't have to put any effort. Just you. See as a third person how are you breathing in and breathing out. Now let's start with the retention. Inhale to the count of 4. Hold your breath to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 4. Alright, let's start. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get back to your normal breathing. Just observe how are you breathing in and breathing out. Now maintain the posture, keep your eyes closed. Just close your right side of the nostril with the right thumb. Inhale from the left side. Deep inhale. Close your left side. Exhale from the right side. Slowly exhale. Inhale from the right side of your nostril. Close the right side. Exhale from the left side. Long but slow breathe out. Inhale from the left side. Close the left side. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right side. Exhale from the left. As slow as possible, as relaxed as possible. Inhale from the left again, a long breath. And then slowly exhale from the other side. Now gently drop your hand down. Keep your back straight as possible and eyes closed. With a long breathe in, breathe out, where you don't have to put a lot of effort, but just still observe and make sure that it is slightly more relaxed and calm. And now comes to your mind, where you have to start focusing on this breathing pattern. Take your attention to the nostril and throat. See how these two are connected to pass the air which is entering into your body. You can see your shoulders and your chest are slightly expanding when you breathe in, breathe out. Let that be naturally. Now you just focus on your mind. Make sure there are not many thoughts bothering you at this moment. Observe the mind being calm and following your breathing pattern. Observe the state of mind and the state of body at this moment. In this moment, you know about yourself. You know about your body condition and mind condition. If you're having a lot of thoughts at this moment, if you're not able to focus on your breathing, then I would ask you to do more pranayama before this. But if you're enjoying this, focusing on your breathing, trying to have a good eye on your state of mind, then you can continue with this. Now all your focus is on your mind, and the mind which is observing simple breathing practice, your breathing patterns, your inhalation and exhalation. Now gently be aware of your back, your spine, and release your both the hands from Chin Mudra. Get your both the palm together into Namaskara Mudra. Gently rub your both the palm, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes and face. Slowly open your eyes, look into your palm. Have a gentle smile on your face. Forehead relaxed. Soon after this, please stretch your both the hands a little forward to relax your back. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. I hope you're feeling much calm and relaxed after this, and just try to make sure that you complete practice every single day. If you enjoy practicing with me, don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. And if you have any doubts or if you really like to say anything, please drop it in the comment box. Thank you once again.